Did you know the average cost of a 4-year US degree can exceed $200,000? That's a staggering number, and it's the main reason many students and families give up even before they begin. But here's the truth. You don't always have to pay that much. There are smarter, more affordable ways to earn the same degree. Many students dive straight into expensive universities without realizing the options available to them. They get locked into rigid payment schedules, large upfront fees, and high living costs, all of which create financial stress. For some, this even leads to taking on massive loans that follow them for years. But there's another way. Programs in the US now offer flexible, cost-saving options that students often overlook. For example, starting your degree at a community college before transferring to a university. Choosing low residency programs where much of the learning happens online, cutting living costs. Then there's enrolling in universities that allow monthly or semester-based tuition payments instead of large lump sums. At Scholar Pro, we believe that cost should never be a barrier to opportunity. That's why we highlight universities and programs designed for flexibility. These options don't compromise on the quality of your degree, they simply make it more accessible. Think of it this way. The degree at the end is the same, but the path you take to get there can change your financial future. Students who choose smarter pathways often save tens of thousands of dollars, not just on tuition, but also on housing, food, and everyday living expenses. They graduate with the same respected degree, but without the crushing weight of expensive debt. That freedom means they can invest in their careers, pursue higher studies, or even start businesses. Remember, a US degree doesn't have to break your bank. With the right choices, you can save money, gain flexibility, and still achieve your academic dreams. Subscribe to Scholar Pro for weekly videos that bring you clarity on studying smarter, not harder. Because when it comes to your future, right choices lead to effective outcomes.